this is a CV builder. It has lot of options. For example, you can add your name over here. Let's say Tom Ryder. You can enter any designation that you want. Let's say software engineer. You can write down your experience, like a lead software engineer at Google, the date, how long did you work there, and similar stuff. As a engineer, worked on XYZ top notch project. That's it for now. You can select any image. I have selected a sample image for my example. You can write down the email, for example tom@gmail.com. Any site that you have, my personal site.com, your email, your location. I'm just keeping it simple for now. And university, let's say Harvard. So computer science engineering. Let's say select some date. That's it. I'm keeping it simple. You can add as many positions and education as you want dynamically, and then the CV will grow. This is a lot easier. It's developed in ReactJS, and we can add multiple themes and then download the CV. For now, I will show you that I have edited lot of stuff, so you can check, and then if I export it, it will show me a preview of what it would look like. I have not added lot of details, but if you do add it, it would look really nice. So this is the preview in the browser itself, that this is the file that is being downloaded, and the same file is being downloaded over here with the name and the designation. So this is the downloaded version. So in this way, user can create multiple CVs. You can use this implementation for your own business, market it, and then you can easily generate a lot of revenue from it.